Good morning, dear students and parents. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. I hope you all have completed your yesterday's homework. Dear students, today we are going to start our second lesson plan of Block 11. And what will be the resources for today's class? Resources are content book, notebook and workbook. And what is our today's topic, students? Parts of a recipe. Parts of recipe. Keywords for today's class: recipe, steps, cupcakes, serve, batter, doing words. And our agenda, as you know, questioning, discussion, activity, worksheet and then homework part. Yes students, now I want to ask to you, do you want to eat Maggies? Yes, Maggie, 2-minute noodles. Okay, how many of students know to make the Maggie? Do you know how to prepare Maggie? And can you tell me, do you know how to prepare Maggie? Yes. First of all, we are keeping the water. Yes, we are keep the water on the gas stove and let it boil. After then we are putting noodles, then Maggi masala and then boil it for 2 minutes. Yes, and after 2 minutes your Maggi is ready to eat. So this is how we are preparing Maggi. So this was the recipe of the Maggi. And which things do you need to prepare Maggi? Right, water, Maggi masala. These things you need. So students, what is our today's aim? Our today's aim is to prepare the recipe and find out the ingredient for recipe. This is our today's aim, students. Identify features of a recipe including ingredients and steps. Yes students, identify features of a recipe means how to prepare a recipe, to find out its features, and including ingredients means कौन कौन सी चीज़ों की आपको ज़रूरत होती है. Both things are called ingredient. And steps means how to prepare the recipe. So today we will find out the features of a recipe and including ingredients and steps. Student, now it is time for action. In action part we will do activity. The students, now tell me, do your parents cook food for you? Yes, all students' parents are preparing food for you. In some students' house their mother is preparing food, some students' house their father, sister and so on. Do they follow recipes to know what to make? Yes, of course they must be following. Right. What is a recipe? Do you know about recipe? What is this recipe? Right. Recipe tells us how to cook food. Means in recipe this is given how to cook the food, how to prepare the food step by step. All instructions are given. As in the previous class we have drawn one gift box. Yes, and then how did you prepare that? Right, steps were written. Ma'am has given some instructions to you. Ma'am has shown some instructions, right? Drew a box, then draw a toy inside it. After that put a ball on it and then write your name. So these were the instructions. So this how also in recipe some instructions are given how to prepare the food step by step. Student, now look at this cover page. This is the cover page of block 11. Who are there on this cover page? Right, Sam and Sid. Okay, what are they eating? Can you guess about it? What edible things can you see on this cover page? One egg is there. And what is in his hand? You can guess, is it a chocolate? Yes, now we are going to read about it. Now open your content book, students, page number 15. Sid and Sam's chocolate cupcakes. Yes, as we have seen on the cover page, what were they eating? Right, the cupcakes. Students, have you ever eaten chocolate cupcakes? Yes, I have eaten. These are very tasty. Okay students, now tell me, do you want to know how to prepare cupcakes? Do you want to know? Do you want to learn how to prepare cupcakes? Yes, I want to learn. So today I am going to tell you about the recipe of cupcakes. Yes students, now I'm going to read the recipe of this thing. First I will read the ingredients and you will listen it carefully. Things you need: 1 cup of white flour, 5 tablespoons of cocoa, 1 cup of sugar, 5 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of milk, 2 eggs. You need these ingredients. These things you need to make a cupcake. Steps: mix the butter and sugar together in a bowl. Add the eggs, flour and cocoa. Mix well for 5 minutes. Add the milk. Mix for 2 more minutes. Pour the cake batter into a cupcake pan. Put the pan into a hot oven. Bake the cupcakes at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Serve with ice cream and enjoy. Yes students, first I have told you about the ingredients which you need to make the cupcake, and then I have told you about the steps of the recipe, how to prepare the cupcakes. Yes students, now what will you do? You will read it again. You will read all about this the steps and ingredients again on your own. Students, now what will you do? After reading it, you will underline all the doing words which have occurred in the steps. I have written on the board which doing words we have read. Mix, add, pour, bake, serve, put. These are the doing words which were given in the steps. Yes students, now look at this page again. Where are the doing words in the sentences? Where are the doing words in the sentences? Just now you have read the doing words from board. Where do these doing words are given in the sentences? Right. These doing words are given in the beginning of the sentences. Why? Because the instructions always begins with doing words. Because these are instructions and doing words are given in the beginning of instructions. These instructions tell the reader what to do. The doing words are at the beginning because these are instructions. These instructions tell the reader what to do. Means because these are the instructions. These sentences are instructions type and which tell the reader what to do. So a doing word is given in the beginning of the sentences. Now it is analysis time. Now I'm going to ask some questions to you. Yes students, my first question is, what can we make by following this recipe? Alright students, we can make a chocolate cupcake. Yes, मुंह में पानी आ रहा है ना? Yes, as it is very tasty. Yes, by following this recipe we have made chocolate cupcakes. What two parts does this recipe have? Right, the recipe have two parts, which one is in one part what was given, food items were given, and in the second part steps were given how to prepare the recipe. What does each step start with? Right student, as I have told you in the activity part also, each step start with a doing word. In the beginning of every sentence, doing word was given. With the help of these doing words, the reader can know what to do. What does a recipe tell us? Yes students, guess about it. Right, a recipe tells us how to make the food. Why do we need both parts of recipe? Why do we need both parts of recipe? We need both part of the recipe. Why? Because in one part was the list of the items. If only the list of food items is given, we wouldn't know how to put the things together and how much and when to use which thing. And if only the steps are given, then we are not able to know means which things are needed and how much these things are needed. So we need both the parts of the recipe. Students, now it is time for horse. How is a recipe like a story and how is it different? Let's think about it students. Right, a story and a recipe both are giving the information to the reader, and the sequence of the Text is important both in the story and in the recipe. If sequence is not given, we cannot understand the story, and we cannot understand the recipe also, how to make the recipe. A recipe has the commands and instructions that tell the reader what to do, but the story has the statements that give information to the reader about the story. A story has statements that tells the reader about something, means story में क्या होता है, statements होती है जो हमें किसी के बारे में कुछ बताती है, but in the recipe statements and commands are given what to do, means which step will be the next, means हमें आगे क्या करना है. So these are the differences and the similarities between recipe and the story. So now it is time for application. You will do S2 on page number 16 in workbook. You have to complete this in 10 minutes. Yes students, now open your workbook, page number 16, S1, parts of a recipe. Read the following instructions that are written in the wrong order. Means here some instructions are given to make a recipe, and these are given in wrong sequence and you have to put it in correct order. Place the second slice on top of the fillings. Cut the sandwich into 4 small squares. Add salt and pepper. Add fillings such as cheese, tomato, lettuce and cucumber on one slice. Spread butter on 2 slices of bread with a butter knife. So what will you do? You will put all these instructions in a correct order, means which things should be done at first and then and next and finally. Question number 1. Write the things you will need to make sandwiches using the recipe above. What will you do here? You will write the ingredients, the things which you need to make the sandwich, you will write here. Now question number 2. Put the instructions in right order and add another instructions. Yes, here first instruction is given, spread butter on 2 slices of bread with a butter knife. So this how you will write all the instructions in correct order. Now question number 3. Write a story about making sandwiches using the above steps. Here you will write all these instructions in a story method. जिस तरह से स्टोरी लिखी होती है उसी तरह से आपको यहाँ पर इन इंस्ट्रक्शंस को, रेसिपी के इंस्ट्रक्शंस को आप लिखेंगे. लाइक जो रेसिपी में होती है वो इंस्ट्रक्शंस डूइंग वर्ड से स्टार्ट होती है, बट जो स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंसेस होते हैं स्टोरी में हम स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंसेस का यूज करते हैं, दैट बिगिंस विथ नेमिंग वर्ड. सो बाय यूजिंग नेमिंग वर्ड you can write this in the method of story writing. Do our homework today. What is our today's homework? Do practice question 1, 2 and 3 which is given on page number 17 in content book. This homework I have given in previous class also. That was only for reading, and now you will write it in your notebook. So you have to complete question number 1, 2, 3 which is given in your content book. Okay students, now it is time for summarization part. Yes, now tell me what have we learned today? Alright, we have learned about recipe, means how to write a recipe and which things we need to write a recipe. Yes, recipe is written in 2 parts. In first part we are writing the list of food items, and in second parts we are writing the steps, means in which what is written in that part. The steps are written, means what the reader will do, means how to make the recipe. This is given step by step, so the reader could know what to do the next. So this how recipe helps us. Students, be ready for your next class also. And resources for next class, we are going to prepare a recipe, and this recipe you will prepare on your own and then you will taste it. Yes students, these are the resources: a glass, sugar, salt, lemon, water, spoon and your notebook. So be ready with all these resources students. Thank you. Have a nice day.